Hey, we're at Professor Xander, and today we're going to unbox Treasure X aliens. And I think it's a giant spider alien. So let's get to unboxing. Okay, I think we're going to need that later. And let's take everything out. Giant spider. Let's get the X tool. And look, the giant spider is movable. I'll get my assistant to get me towels. Let's place under this our creature. Okay, let's go to dissection. Let's put it in here. This is actually harder than my last video. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, I think I got it, guys. Got it, everyone? Okay, I think we're almost there. This is thicker. Way thicker. Okay, let me see if I can peel it by myself now. Let's get this out. Let's get this classic rib cage out. Let's go out. Okay. Let's get this rib cage out. Sorry. Okay. Step 2. I don't need help. Okay, that's my assistant. Whoa, that was fast. I won't want to. Okay. Let's take this here. I think I should do this on the glass. It's much better. Squeeze the intestines out. Know how to squeeze them. Okay? Squeeze. Okay. It's a critter. Okay, let me pour everything out. How are these so hard? That was harder than I expected, but I think I found a weapon. Another critter. Put all of this slime together. Let me get some of the critters out. Let me mix this up so it's not that bad. We still have a lot of more intestine to go out, actually. A lot of intestine to get out. A lot of intestines. I think we should put the first bit in the bag, like it says to put in the bag. In the bag. Okay, let's open the bag. Let me go. Put this in the bag. And let's take this out. It's really okay. Yeah, it's a weapon. Finally, we got a weapon. Inside, how many critters? We got 3 critters. Finally, 3 critters. Get off me. Okay, my assistant is taking them away so we could set it aside. It's putting stuff in the bag. Okay, this might be a little hard to take out. Yeah. Boom, we got it. It's part of a weapon. You might put these in here. We have some. Let's put it here.
Are those Orbeez?
No.
What?
No.
Oh, those are the guts.
Put it in the bag. And finally, the last piece of intestine. Okay. Let's put this. Let's get the goo. Let's get the goo off. This. Goo off. Then here. Assistant. Put that in the freezer.
This?
Here, get this. Get the goo. Get the 2 drops. Put it in. And now we can move on.
Freezer?
Like the refrigerator. Okay, let's move on to the gut sack. The gut sack. Okay. We should go to. I think there should be some guidance. But we just need to get open here. Get this open. If I can find my incision tool. No, it is. Where did I cut my guts? Okay, I cut the. Who did? Assistant. I'm going to give me the tool. And now let's free my hunter.
Top of the towel. I told you.
Let's open this gut sack. Oh yeah, now I know I should have got my gloves on.
This stinks. I thought it was water.
But what is it? If it's...
These are Orbeez. Can I have them?
Get one, don't say Orbeez. They're the guts, not Orbeez. We finally found our hunter. His head came off.
Yeah, this is an Orbeez.
Okay, assistant,
Yeah.
can you get me some towels?
I gave you some, but you not used them.
Yeah, I'm using them. Okay, my assistant is going to get some towels. I can at least free the hunter body, but this is getting crazy. There's so much gut in here. And you free the hunter. Put it here. My X tool is safe under the towel. Oh my god. This is a lot of gut. I know I need my X tool. Okay. X tool.
I have a surprise for you. Want to see what these things could do?
Shush. Get out, get out. Get out, get out. Can you please get out? And now, let's open the gut sack. Open it. opening. Okay. Okay, we're done with the good stuff. We got everything. Now, the X tool, this is for cracking the brain, cracking the skull. Wait, I got it. I got one. Go. I think we should crack it with our hands. Our hands are stronger. Okay, I found the brain. Take the brain out and open it up. Let's see if we found a real gem. We found a real gem inside. Then, look, it's a real gem. It's a real gem. You found a real gem. My bad. Okay, and now take this out like it says. And where's this? Where's the wheel? Hunter's wheel. We need the wheel. So take the screw out. Okay, this is going rapidly. Okay, put the hunter's head on and put the wheel on. Okay, the wheel is hard to get in there. How are you going to put on the wheel? Oh, I see. You put it in like that. Okay, let's actually switch to battle mode. First, switch to battle mode. Hey, how do you put it in? How do you switch to battle mode? Okay.
Can I have these things?
Yes, go. Okay. We need a little bit more cracking. Where is it? Where's the driver's seat? Okay, that is the driver's. Then let's put it in. Put it on. Let's put it inside. I think I could take my gloves off. Put this inside. Okay, I really might need help putting this inside. Wait, it's there. Well, so close. Well, I found a real gem for my first time. Last time, I found the power thing. I think. And then, this is my real gem. In here. So, I think we need to build the weapon.
Now the gem's not here, right?
Let's put this in. How do you do it? So I need the weapon. I might have the weapon here. The weapon. Where shall we put it? Okay. Here's the gun. Let me get this out. Okay, where do we put this part in? Looks like that, and the skull is, where do you put the skull? It's like a hole here. Maybe we don't need, oh, I think it's for the driver's seat. Yeah, it's for the driver's seat. That's what went in the whole time. Say it's to make the driver see. See? And how do you even switch this to battle mode? Wait, you do this like that. And then put that on. It's done. Then we need to put this in. Then let's make the hunter sit down. That will be hard. The hunter goes in here. And he's controlling his vehicle. The brain. Squishy. The ribs. Great. And I think we're done. Bye.